Hello people, this is Beatrice and I'm a student of University of El Salvador, and now I'm going to share with you a little information about Huayua. Huayua is a small village on the Ruta de las Flores and is located in the department of Sonsonate in El Salvador. And I want to share with you that in my case, if I need rest, I go outside. I go outside city. And my first option is Huayua because Huayua has nice weather and also beautiful landscape. If you like to live new experiences, you should go there. Moreover, if you really love eating, if you really love having a blast with your family, this is a good place for you because they celebrate every weekend, they celebrate a gastronomic festival. Therefore, if you aren't afraid of tasting different flavors of food, you are going to enjoy this adventure. Well, as a personal experience, I recall that I went there with my family some time ago, and my little sister challenged me to eat rabbit. Yeah, and she told me. I recall that she told me, Bia, if you eat it, I'll give you money. And guess what? I did it, and it was delicious. But don't worry because there are more options if you don't like to eat those kind of food. If you don't like to eat strange food, there are more Salvadorian options. Okay, and but the question is, could you eat almost everything in Huayua if you had the opportunity? I mean, just for have new experience, just for taste something new. Okay. In addition information, I have to clarify that Huayua is not only recognized by the gastronomic festival because they also have beautiful waterfalls, and the name of this waterfall is El Chorro de la Calera. Well, if you are looking to be close to nature, you can hike to waterfalls in the area and also take a dip. Okay, as you see in this image. That sounds amazing, and believe me, this place is such a stunning place. And in my case, being honest, if I had the opportunity, I could visit here as much as I can. And because I think that when I'm in this place, I feel so relaxed without any disturb, without any annoying sound, you know. And what about you? What would you do if you go there? And also, just imagine, what would you do if you had money, if you had money to buy a house in Huayua? Because I don't know if you know, but Huayua has a beautiful structure. That being said, if I were you, I would buy it without any hesitation because, as I mentioned before, I think that Huayua is such a stunning place. And well, in my opinion, in my personal opinion, I think that if you have the resources to travel in your country or around the world in order to know different places, okay, in order to know other traditions, you should do it because believe me, if you don't do that, um, you are going to ask yourself in the future, maybe you are going to ask, what would have happened if I had taken that trip? What would have happened if I had gone with my best friend to our favorite place? Maybe. Just that's why I give you some advices. Okay. Well, and if you want to know new things, if you want to eat something new, do it. Yeah, because as you know, the life is one. Yeah, and the life is now, and you are the protagonist of yours. Okay, so that was my presentation. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being with me. And remember, be safe, and bye-bye.